फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिकेट 24/7 विद सीजे। आप सबके लिए हम लेकर आ गए हैं एक स्पेशल वीडियो जिसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं सम ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट बॉलर्स ऑफ देयर टाइम्स और उन्होंने जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट बैट्समैन को बॉल किया है, द मोस्ट फियरफुल एंड द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट बैट्समैन दैट दे हैव बॉल्ड टू। सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट देम इन दिस वीडियो। फ्रेंड्स, जानने के लिए वीडियो को प्लीज एंड तक देखें और अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए एंड प्लीज हिट द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू आर नोटिफाइड विथ विच एवर लाइव सेशंस वी डू एंड विच एवर वीडियोज वी ऐड, आप उसको डेफिनेटली आके देख सकें। So guys, let's get started. Starting on with the list is South African pace attacks spearhead, the one who leads the South African pace attack, Kagiso Rabada. So Rabada in an interview clearly said that Virat Kohli has been the most difficult batsman that he has bowled to. Kohli has been scoring runs against all nations, and Kagiso Rabada has always felt difficult when it comes to bowling to Virat Kohli because there is a prize on his wicket, and it's always difficult to get Virat Kohli out. So Rabada feels that Virat Kohli is the most posing threat that poses whenever India is playing against South Africa. Friends, next in the list we have chosen Sunil Narine, who in his early spells, in early days of his career, when Sunil Narine used to bowl for West Indies, he felt it was very difficult to bowl against Virender Sehwag. So Sehwag was one player who started the innings with full flow and scored very freely in the initial overs of the game. So Narine has always felt it difficult because Sehwag was a tremendous player of spin, and Sunil Narine has clearly said that Virender Sehwag remains to be his biggest challenge. Friends, next in the list we have chosen Ravichandran Ashwin, who happens to be one of the great bowlers of the modern era, and he's a phenomenal test bowler. Even in his limited overs career, he has just left a very good stats and very good impression. So Ashwin has said that in limited overs he finds it difficult to bowl to the Indian captain MSD. However, overall when it came to international cricket, Ravichandran Ashwin said that the most difficult and the toughest batsman that he has bowled against was Mahela Jayawardene, who happens to be a touch player, and he uses the gaps on the field and he just paces his innings very nicely. So Ashwin said that the most difficult batsman that he has bowled to is Mahela Jayawardene. Friends, moving forward we have the Australian speedster Mitchell Johnson, who said that it was Mr. 360 degree who was the most difficult batsman he had bowled to. So De Villiers was always a challenge and it was difficult to get him out. This was clearly expressed by Mitchell Johnson. I still remember in 2014 when the Australian side toured South Africa, and Johnson was in top form because on the back of a Ashes series win, Johnson was in red hot form and he rattled the entire South African batting lineup. The only challenge he posed was against De Villiers because De Villiers played a phenomenal innings of 91 in Johannesburg pitch, and Johnson was in very good form during that time. So I'm sure Johnson remembers a couple of knocks that De Villiers has played while he was in his best form, and that's why Johnson rates De Villiers so highly. In all formats he could score all around the ground, and that's why Johnson rates AB De Villiers as one of the most toughest that he has bowled to. Friends, next in the list we have the legend from England, Jimmy Anderson, and he has said that in his initial days he found Graeme Smith very difficult to bowl because he could only move the ball into the left-hander, and it could just it was very easy for Smith to score off his pads on the leg side, and that's why in that series Smith went on to score 2 double hundreds against England. So Jimmy Anderson posed serious difficulty he faced while bowling to Smith in his initial days, but later on he said that this was Ricky Ponting who he was most fearful of, because Ponting could pick the length very easily and Jimmy Anderson had he was very unsure of what lengths to bowl to Ricky Ponting. So Jimmy Anderson rates Ponting as one of his most competitive cricketers and one of the most toughest batsmen that he has bowled to. Friends, next in the list we have the Rawalpindi Express, Shoaib Akhtar, and Shoaib Akhtar has clearly expressed it was none other than the wall of Indian side, Rahul Dravid, who is the most difficult batsman he has bowled to, and he clearly said that Dravid was a nightmare because Dravid used to bore him. And whenever he could see Dravid walking into the field to bat, he was sure that he has to wait for like 2-3 more sessions before Dravid will throw his wicket. So Rawalpindi Express, Shoaib Akhtar is very, very clear with his statement that Rahul Dravid was one of the most difficult and the challenging batsmen that he has bowled to. Friends, moving forward, we have the star of Australian cricket, Brett Lee. And Brett Lee has said that it was none other than Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar, who was one of the most toughest competitors of the game. And it was always difficult to bowl to Tendulkar because he needed a little bit of extra pace. Brett Lee always, he was in full flow and he used to bowl with rhythm. But against Tendulkar, it was always a little extra work that he needed to do to get his wicket. And Brett Lee also in an interview said that he considers Jack Callis as the most complete cricketer and one of the greatest ambassadors of the game. But when it comes to bowling one-on-one, he always faced difficulty in bowling to Tendulkar. Though he got him out on a couple of occasions, but definitely Tendulkar was the most toughest competitor that he has faced in this game. Friends, next in the list we have Muralidharan, who is one of the greatest cricketers to have ever played the game with the highest. He is the leading wicket taker in Test format, the leading wicket taker in ODI format too. So he's definitely one of the greatest that has embraced this game ever, and he feels that it was none other than Brian Lara, who is his toughest competitor, because Lara was a phenomenal player of spin, and that's one reason that Lara could pick up Murali's action as well as the lengths that Murali bowled very easily. And though Murali has conquered most of the batsmen in his career, whenever he has bowled to the other players, he's always felt dominating and he could dominate the other cricketers. But when it came to Brian Lara, Murali has always felt that Lara posed a challenge whenever he was there at the wicket. Friends, moving ahead, we have the South African legend Dale Steyn, who is very clear that when it comes to the limited over formats, and one of his teammates, AB de Villiers, is one player that he never wants to bowl to, and he clearly expressed his views that the two games that he fears the most are the two IPL games that Steyn plays against de Villiers. So he's definitely rated de Villiers right up there when it comes to the toughest batsman that he has ever bowled to. However, in international cricket, when he was playing the other opponents, he said that Virender Sehwag was one of the most difficult batters that he bowled to, and Sehwag would obviously get off to a very, very quick start, and with the time when Steyn was trying to swing the new ball, it was, if he didn't get the early wicket of Sehwag was really posing a challenge back at Steyn. So Steyn felt that Sehwag is definitely one player that is very, very dangerous to bowl. Friends, last in the list is none other than the spin wizard, the legend of Australia, Shane Warne. And we all know the kind of impact Shane Warne had whenever he used to bowl, be it in subcontinent wickets, on Australian conditions or any conditions. Shane Warne was one spinner who has dominated cricket for a very, very long time. And Shane Warne has not been in two minds. Obviously, he rates Lara and Tendulkar right up there, but it has been Sachin Tendulkar whom he rates as the toughest batsman he has ever bowled to, and he's also expressed very clearly that Tendulkar would give him sleepless nights. So whenever he knew that he's going to play India the next game, the night before, he couldn't sleep properly. So this is the kind of impact Sachin Tendulkar has had during his time in his era, and he has given all the bowlers a very, very tough competition, and he has dominated a lot of bowlers, and Shane Warne being in the list for sure. So Shane Warne has been very clear that it's Sachin Tendulkar who is the toughest batsman that he has bowled to. So friends, that's the list we have for you today, and if you feel there are other players that we are missing on, please mention those players in the comment section, and we are definitely going to get back again with the toughest bowlers that the batsmen have faced in their times, and we'll definitely make a list of those players and we'll get to you very soon. Please make sure that you are mentioning all the players that we're missing on in the comment section so that we understand and we try to include more players in the next list that we make. Thank you so much for your time, friends. If you have not subscribed to the channel till now, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching our videos and showing so much love to our channel. Please make sure you hit the bell icon before you leave. Thank you so much, friends.